Once again, main calling, Sir Gerald Not Garcia. Message muna pwede na for that. Dance po kayo nila. Any message?
Happy birthday,
Thank you so much, give that rose and have some dance with me. Wow. Nahiya ka pa perfect. Okay, please prepare Mr. John Carlo Garcia. Ayan, hanggang wala si Sir Carlo, hindi aalis si Sir Gerald. Once again, palakpakan po natin Sir John Carlo Garcia. Thank you so much. Any message po para kay Tita Ruby, Sir John?
Salamat. Salamat po yan. Kakatawag po yung salamat kasi kasimbahan ng mama kung hindi dati ang mga tetera. Giri tetera. Yan ko yung bali. Abi ang ultima.
Alright, thank you so much. Of course, nandito rin naman si Zian Andre Garcia. Ay, wow. Hello. So what can you say? Oops, what can you say to your Lola? What can you say to your Lola?
Happy birthday, Ma. Sana makabot ka pa 100 years old.
Ayan. So, talunin mo si Apong Wangkot, di ba? Ayan. Sige, dance na po. Please prepare Nathan Ezekiel Agus.
Tagay mo kay Ma. Tagay mo kay Ma.
Thank you so much. You may now stay here.
Tagay mo kay Ma.
Wow!